Hi, I'm Audra, and I'm going to be talking to you guys today about how to medicate your cat at home. And this is Skylar right here, who's going to be helping me out today. So first I want to go over a few things that you can use to help medicate your cat at home. The first thing that you can get, which is hopefully the best thing to get, will be the easiest for you, is to get something called pill pockets, which we actually carry here and you can pick up. The way these are made is that they have a little hole in the center. So all you have to do is you put the pill right inside there and you close it up, and then the cat, depending on the cat, will sometimes eat it. But if your cat's like Skylar, who doesn't really want to take the pill out of the pill pocket, you may actually have to kind of force them to take it. So the way you're going to do that, there's a couple different ways you can do that. One is to actually do it with your hand, which takes some practice. But this right here, we're going to pretend is a pill, which is really just a little piece of a treat. And what you can do is, cats have this little piece of on the back of their neck that's the scruff. So the mother cat will carry around their kittens with that. And you can grab that. It doesn't hurt them. It's extra skin. But what you can do is you actually can pull back on that. And it looks a little uncomfortable, but that's fine. Pull back on that, and then you can kind of open up their jaw, and then you just put it in the back of their mouth and close their mouth like that. You want to try to get it as far back as possible. And then just kind of rub their throat. Hopefully they'll swallow. And Skylar did, just like that, no problem. The next thing is, if you're having a hard time getting your finger in there and you're a little bit afraid that maybe you don't really want to stick your finger back in your cat's mouth, I can understand that. We have a couple different things called pill guns. There's a bigger one right here, which is normally pretty good for a dog, and then there's small ones like this. You can pick those up here with us or at your local pet store. So what you'll do is, we're going to use the little one with Skylar today. So what you'll do is you take this and you'll just open this up, and you put the pill in there. And then you'll do kind of the same thing where you just take the scruff and then you can open up their mouth, kind of, or you can open up their mouth this way, kind of on the side. And you're just going to put it all the way in the back of the mouth, and then you push down on it, and this part right here, and what will happen is it'll pop the pill right out the edge of it. That was a little bit like a treat, so it was hard to get out, but that worked just fine. Huh, Skylar? So there was that. And the other type of medication you might have at home is going to be a liquid medication. This is just a syringe filled with water, but we have some antibiotics that come in liquid form. So what you want to do with those is you'll just take this, and you can do the same thing by grabbing their scruff right here, or if you feel comfortable, you can grab their head on the side, on either side, just like this. And what you want to do is you'll just kind of take this and you can kind of put it between their teeth, and then you push the syringe, and it'll squirt right in the back of their mouth. You normally try to get it kind of back in the side, and that's good. So we'll try that again. Can you try to open up? No? Just like that. Okay. All right. So those are some different ways that you can help medicate your cat at home. If you have any questions for us, we're always here 24/7. Just give us a call.